With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In place of tetrachloroethene in dry cleaning, we use sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium stearate, hydrogen peroxide, or the sodium bisulfite. So the tetrachloroethene, it is the having formula CCl2 written as Cl2 double bond CCl2. So this is the tetrachloroethene. It was used earlier. It was used earlier as a solvent for dry cleaning, as solvent for the dry cleaning. But why we are not using tetrachloroethene nowadays? It is because the tetrachloroethene, it is a suspected carcinogen. Carcinogen means it is cancer causing in nature, and it contaminates the groundwater. So that's why it is not used nowadays, but instead now we are using hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2. It is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is used for the purpose of bleaching clothes. And the hydrogen peroxide, we used it for bleaching clothes because it gives better results and makes use of lesser amount of water. It gives better results than tetrachloroethene, and it makes use of lesser amount of water. So that's why we are using hydrogen peroxide nowadays instead of these tetrachloroethene, because it is a suspected carcinogen compound and it contaminates the groundwater. So therefore correct option will be option 3rd, that is in place of tetrachloroethene in dry cleaning we use hydrogen peroxide. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.